We are now on day 3 of making content for 30 days. So what I want to do today is kind of expand on what we done last time with the AI assistant generation. Try and make a game out of it, but how it went last time, I don't have my hopes too high up. We might as well give it a try. So I think I want to make kind of a simulator game because it did kind of well doing that, to be fair. It made the UI, it made something that's kind of working, but I don't know. What is a simulator game? The simulator game has the UI around it, so I think we should start with that maybe, because that's like the main part. Well, no, to be fair, that is a very big part of it. Right? Let's just say, okay, it's done something here. But, you know, we can make this look better. I think I can make this look better. Like, I'm not gonna put all on the AI because it's AI. Let's be real. Okay, this time it prints stuff, I think. Last time it didn't add any print function, so we can't really see what it does. It still does nothing. Wow. I don't think this AI is gonna do too well. Is there a script inside it? Oh, okay. I'm so dumb. I should probably add this script into the button. Bro, when I've used this ever, it's always added a script like by itself. You may not know me, but I am no developer professional at all. I do not know what I'm doing. I can read a bit of this, I can like make out what it does, but do I understand it? No. But that's okay, that's why we've got the assistant here. I'm gonna tell it to make a script inside this button that opens another GUI up. This is weird, like I'm pretty sure something has changed with the AI. Or maybe I'm just being dumb. So if shop GUI then shop GUI not enabled equals not shop GUI enabled. I'm pretty sure this enable. Wait, can you even enable that? Does enabling GUIs like make them visible? There's no enabled for GUIs. I don't think this does much. Okay, it does something. Let's see. Let me just add the shop GUI frame. Maybe I need it as a screen GUI. I'm not. Oh, okay, I see now, I see. Okay, I see. Well, I'm so dumb for that. Alright, so I've asked it to toggle the visibility instead of just enabling and disabling it. So hopefully this does something. Okay, this looks more reliable than what we had last time. Oh, okay, we have it working now. Yes, we have a shop GUI. Kind of, okay. I've told it to give it a cartoony rounded look with nice colors. Alright, you know, it's not done too bad. Oh, it's even giving it a little font. You know, that's not, I'm impressed, I think. I don't want to edit all the UI in the script, so I'm gonna make it actually edit the properties of the UI and stuff. Oh my god, it's done the same thing again. You know, I don't think this is like cheating, but I think this is quite like reasonable. It's a reasonable thing I'm doing. I'm just changing it up a little tiny bit, the tiniest bit. I might change the font too as well. Alright, so I've asked it to add a script that basically makes it like grow in size when you hover over it, because that's in like all of the games now. Like, everyone does that. Right, so I've asked it to size up from the middle instead of the top left. Hopefully this does. I don't even know if you can do that, because like if you try to scale up any UI, then the same thing happens. But once again, it has messed up, so let's just send them back. Okay, you know, it's not bad. Right, I'm gonna make him put the text size up as well. Let's see what the text size already is. I've asked it to make a scale up to 35. I think this is gonna work because right now we've been on a pretty good streak of it just completely well, not completely, but working well enough for me. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is really good actually. I'm actually really impressed with this. Oh, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna scrap everything. Well, not everything, but mainly the shop GUI just coming in from being what's it called? Just being visible and not visible. I'm gonna make it tween in. Right, so I've asked it to do what I want, but with a lot of spelling mistakes. Hopefully it still works. Okay, this looks promising. I see tween play. I see off-screen position. It looks promising. I think it's gonna work. Okay, that is really good. That is really good. Does it work? Oh my god, you can even close it. Right, how's this going so perfect? I'm gonna disable the little color change when you hover over the button, but alright, so I've fixed that now. Added a little border. But I do want the like little shopping cart image to size up as well, so let's fix that. Right, I don't know what it's doing. It's like, surely there's been some sort of update to make it unreliable, because I've been using it like literally not even 5 days ago, and it was working completely fine, but it's doing so many different things now. I don't like understand it. Right, let's just see if this is working then. Okay, it is. That's perfect. That actually looks quite good. I like this. So I just came back. I went to eat. I don't really remember where I left off at, but you know, we move. We're gonna continue whatever I was doing. Oh yeah, I was gonna remove like the little background highlight thing, I believe, which is just auto button color. So that's pretty easy. And I'm gonna give the shop UI like the same sort of theme. So the hell, right, who done this to my shop? Alright, we need to fix that, so let's just, I'm doing a lot of hoping today. This is not, like, the most reliable thing. Okay. Come on, please. Yes, let's go. Alright, so that's not too bad right now. We needed, oh my god. I don't know why I started with the UI and I didn't start with the actual simulator. That was, alright. What kind of simulator do we want? You know, I'll just ask it to make something we can pick up, and it'll go into our inventory and we can sell it, blah blah blah. Alright, so I've made it to add a part. Now when the player, oh no. Right, well, basically just gives me time to read it. So I've told it to add a part, but when the player walks over it, when it disappears, and the player now has one part, and it was showing the leaderboard that the player has one part. And also make a part called sell, which will be the little like sell circle. And when the player walks into it, they'll have 0 parts, and then they'll have 2 coins. So one part is gonna be equivalent to 2 coins. You know, I don't know if it's gonna successfully pull this off. Like, I did it in the last one, but it didn't do it too well. Like, it wasn't working, but it did write the script. Oh, it did work. Okay, it did work. But I'm not seeing that in. Okay, you know, I'm not gonna have the leaderboard idea. I'm gonna tell it to make a UI that displays that. So with my very amazing grammar, I said make a text label that shows how many parts and how many coins you have, which hopefully works. Okay, what is this? Like, I've never seen a script looking like that. Label. Let's see. I think this might just be both. Okay. Oh, alright. I see. Alright, let me name the other one sell part. Alright, so this is gonna be a sell part. The label I can definitely change that. Like, it's not the prettiest right now, but it works for now, I guess. Okay, oh my god, that is sick. Oh, it actually works. I'm so happy with this. I did not expect it to work at all, but it's good, it's good. Alright, so I have to make it so the part can only be walked over one. The part can only be collected once. I have like a plan for this where later on there's gonna be like more kind of worlds after you rebirth. Maybe not rebirth, you just unlock more worlds as you go on, and each world is gonna have its own more like unique part that is worth more, pretty much. That's what I want. Well, this video is just so much like hoping and literally no doing. Right, so I got 1 part, 2 coins. Okay, it works. That is good. You know, I wanna try and make it so the parts spawn randomly throughout the whole base play, but I don't know how it's gonna like work with that. Okay, it works now, thank God. Alright, so I'm gonna make it so you can only touch each part once, and if you touch it after that, then it won't detect it. Some money. I mean, one part. Let's see. Okay, it works. That's good. Alright, guys. So I ran out of my the messages I can send to the assistant. So I think that's gonna be it today. We did leave on like we did pretty good. The cell works. The parts work. This UI, the little upgrade button does not work just yet, but you can open the UI, you can close it. It's good, I guess. Like, the AI is doing a good job so far. Like, it could be better, it could, but it's doing good. So just thank you, I guess. Thanks.